Okay, alright. Hi guys. Change the model of the shit I posted like yesterday. To something like this. The to make it easier to control. Here's how to do it. And then like extra passive first. Here's how to as sometimes you do like that. But if you wanna go like this. Like this. And then you use the same amount of blocks as last time. And then I don't know how much magnets you want. You can place as much as you want. I don't think it matters. I still think it does, but no at the same time. And then hold on like this. It's basically like I really just changed the model. And then like now like this. Is there a possibility that over here? This and then I'll take the magnets at 5 and place all 5 in here. Now all 5 is in here. And then you want to take the pilot seat and put it there. Make sure to save it here on whichever slot you want, and you can delete the bottom block. Oh, remember to turn off and block on the plus sign is over here. And then you can start playing. I think it's easier to control in my opinion. Just the video keeps drifting off, of course. The rest I can apply it, right? That's the only thing that actually matters. Okay, now I'm flying. Oh god. Alright, I'm still alive. Oh my god. Welcome back. Ow, ow, ow. I don't know which one of my blocks broke. Wait, continue going. Right, and I can continue now. It's still a bit hard to use, but it's at least it works. And then you can go here. It's basically like an easier version to control it. The spike. And then there you go. There you have it. An easier version to control it. And I'll just keep watching myself in. Oh, never mind. I have to turn behind. Very nice. So that's all for now. It's just like a redesign, nothing much. Yeah. Consider liking and subscribing to the video. Okay, bye now.